Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Talking about I must tell you that India का जो fascination रहा है with something like travel shows, it's a very interesting thing जो कि मुझे personally बहुत पसंद है. I remember बचपन में because as a child you have lot of fascinations कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है, मुझे वहाँ जाना है. Obviously the schedule from parents or parent didn't permit. So travel shows were the only medium जहाँ से हम लोग virtually we could travel the world, we could see places around. So when you got to understand that you're going to be part of something like a travel show, so what was the initial feeling? Were you also having the same kind of thoughts in your childhood about travel shows?
So this whole concept of Safarnama, the travel show that we are doing, we all created this show. Me, Ishan, Ashish, the whole team together. I co-produced it. So we had this idea of making something which is more relatable to the audience, which is not scripted at all. It's completely real, absolutely real. So what's better than a travel show? You get to meet new people, real people. The audience gets to know real stories. They get to know the culture of a particular place. So this is for the first time that we have made something together, and we'll definitely make things which are more relatable to the audience. क्योंकि अभी reality shows का ज़माना है और reality shows में reality दिखाना एक major challenge हो गया आजकल. So I think that's why.
I think the कहावत is only there कि reality shows में reality के अलावा सब कुछ real होता है.
वही it's very ironical. नाम है reality show और सब जानते हैं कि कितना उसमें कितना रियल है कितना नहीं. बट हाँ, ट्रैवल शो से फैसिनेशन बिल्कुल रहा है मेरा. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कवरी चैनल, नेट जियो. तो उस वक्त पे ज्यादा बातें समझ नहीं आती थी जब बहुत छोटे थे कि क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या नहीं. ज्यादा दिखने में अच्छा लगता था कि ऐसी भी जगह होती हैं, ऐसी भी जगह होती हैं, अच्छा ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं, ऐसा भी कल्चर होता है. बट ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि वो सब चीजें दिमाग में बैठ गई थी कि ऐसा कुछ बनाना है या नहीं. Our main motive was to, show a clear picture of what actually exists in a particular area. तो हम लोगों ने मनाली, लेह लद्दाख, कारगिल, चाइना बॉर्डर, पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर, जो भी आजकल बहुत ज्यादा जिन हर घर में जबान पे लिए जा रहे हैं, वो सब जगह इस शो में कवर्ड हैं. तो पैंगोंग लेक का एक बहुत अच्छे से हम लोगों ने कवर किया है, और तुर्तुक और थांग नाम के दो गांव हैं, नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट विलेजेस हैं इंडिया के. वहां से पाकिस्तान बिल्कुल सामने, करीब है, एकदम आंखों से देख सकते हैं अपनी आप सामने. तो उस गांव की भी अलग हिस्ट्री है. 1971 वॉर में वो उस गांव का कुछ पार्ट पाकिस्तान में चला गया था, कुछ इंडिया में रह गया था. तो समझिए कि आधी फैमिली पाकिस्तान में है, आधी इंडिया में है. तो उनकी लाइफ में क्या हार्डशिप्स हैं, हाउ दे आर डिस्कनेक्टेड विद द वर्ल्ड. And now they are connecting to the world with all the decisions being made in the recent times. और वही बहुत ज्यादा सरप्राइजिंग था वहां पर जाना. बहुत चीजें नहीं पता लगी वहां पर कि ऐसा भी होता है. नेचुरल डीप फ्रीज है वहां पर, और वो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. we have 9 episodes and we have almost covered 85 to 90 places in these 9 episodes.
Wow.
So it's very pacing. आपको
you continue please.
So sorry. तो 9 एपिसोड्स हैं. हमने कोशिश की है जितना पेसी रख सकें, so that it's more engaging and it's not dragged. और ऑडियंस ज्यादा, क्योंकि आजकल नहीं है किसी के पास टाइम. लोग 10 सेकंड का एड बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाते हैं, फटाफट आगे निकल जाते हैं.
Absolutely. Retention power has gone down.
I know. So we have made it a very all the episodes will go quickly. एक जगह आई, फटाफट उसके बारे में, दूसरी जगह, तीसरी जगह, और उस हिसाब से बहुत सारी जगह कवर हो जाएंगी 9 एपिसोड्स में. So I think people would enjoy it. Touch wood, by God's grace, we have got a good response on the first episode, and the second episode would be on air on this coming Monday. So hoping for the best.
Absolutely, best hope कर रहे हो, best ही होगा. लेकिन मैं आपको एक चीज जरूर पूछूंगा कि as an audience, जब हम लोग we see all these kind of visuals, TV में देखते हैं या laptop, whatever gadgets we see, it's very pleasing. लेकिन for the people, जैसे you were telling me right now कि you have gone to even places, extreme places, जहाँ पे you can probably see Pakistan, ये border, वो border, international borders. दिखने में it looks very easy, but then people who are actually in charge of that, going there, shooting, permissions involved, hell lot of things, threats about other things. There are so many things involved. So दिखने में बाहर से it looks very hunky dory and easy कि oh my God, ये देखो, you're just standing at that border right now, wonderful. But it's not as easy for the people who are actually involved. So when you actually go to those kind of places, what are the kind of permissions? Are there any special permissions required in those kind of places? Because those are high security areas. So is it more challenging to shoot and cover those kind of places compared to, say, a normal place where anyone can visit?
Yes, a lot of planning goes into it. For any shoot,
Yeah.
there has to be a hell lot of planning. But
Yeah.
for a travel show, you have to be ready for situations and circumstances which nobody knows of. So you
Yeah.
go to a place and you don't expect something. Suppose the weather is not what we expect it to be. Suppose
Correct.
there's something going on the road, and our whole schedule gets messed up. And everything is pre-booked, be it the hotels, be it the vehicles, or any such department. But yes, the permissions are involved. And I'll give you an example. When we went to the border, there was a rock which had a statement written on it. So it was, we laughed after reading it. It said, "Beware, you are under enemy supervision." So that it clearly struck us that the Pakistanis are clearly watching us. We were that close to them. So that feeling of knowing that you are at that place of what we usually listen at home or we watch in the news channels. So you're actually at that place, and then you talk to the soldiers and to the local people over there, how they live their lives and what changes they faced in the previous 20, 30, 50 years. Then meeting people who we never thought of that we would be meeting. Like in Old Manali, there are cafes from all over the world. People stay there. It's a melting pot. So cultures from various countries stay over there. So there was one cafe. We went there. We were having our coffee, and we met a guy from North Sentinel Island, this island is completely cut off from the world. The people who stay there, they
Which
are
part
not
of the world?
It's in the Indian Ocean near Andaman Nicobar.
Okay.
So the people who stay there, they never get in touch with any human being, and it's a heritage site, and UNO has decided that nobody can enter that island or come in contact with those people because it's very dangerous for them, because they haven't been in touch with the food, the kind of food that we eat, the clothes that we wear, so it could spread any kind of infections in their area, in their house. So that's the island. So there was this guy, David, who we met in this cafe. After the tsunami, he came to India from Andaman Nicobar. And then since then, he's been staying here. So we got to know a lot about that island from him. So he speaks many languages. He knows a lot about the country. And he has, soaked himself in the culture of this country. तो उससे मिलकर काफी सारी चीजें पता लगी थी कि वो कैसे रहते हैं वहाँ पर, how they live, कैसे sustain किया उन लोगों ने अभी तक, क्या culture है, how they hunt and eat till now. वो अभी भी भाले और पत्थर यूज करते हैं अगर कोई उनके आइलैंड के आसपास आते हैं, जो completely
सुनने में it feels so surreal.
I know, and talking to a guy from that place, it was an amazing experience. Never expected that. तो जैसे ये चीज थी, हाँ.
I can totally understand what you're saying because मुझे सुनने में ही अगर इतना मजा आ रहा है, तो if when you are there, at that place yourself, you're talking to that individual, I can totally understand कि वो कैसा type का experience, what was going in your mind, what was going in your heart at that point of time. So it must be feeling absolutely surreal.
And it was completely unplanned. Talking about what you asked, कि कैसे planning होती है, कैसे आप लोग decide करते हैं. So we never thought we'll meet a man from Sentinel Island. We were there. We had our time slots कि अभी हम 5 बजे तक इस कैफे में रहेंगे, 6 बजे यहाँ से move करेंगे, कहीं और जाएंगे. And suddenly we meet this guy and we interview him. और तब हमें और चीजें पता लगती हैं. And then the whole episode is dedicated to him now. So things like this happen in a travel show. Other than the shows that we do, the films that we make, it's completely planned. We have to get exactly what we want. In travel shows, it's not like that. You get something unexpected every day.
Absolutely. You have so many fans out there. They watched. There was somebody who was asking here in the comments about Behad. And then there was somebody who was asking about Safarnama as well, the next episode details. So as far as Safarnama is concerned, next episode, guys, आप Monday देखो खुद. He has already given out the details over here. And as far as Behad is concerned, if you would like to answer that question.
Definitely. Behad का shoot start हुआ था in March. And then it got canned because of the lockdown. तो हमने 15 episodes shoot किए थे और they went on air also. पर उसके बाद फिर लॉकडाउन का पता नहीं था कब तक चलने वाला. It was a finite show और लिमिटेड कुछ 25-30 एपिसोड्स और बचे हुए थे उसके, सो इट वाज फॉलिंग वेरी हेवी ऑन द प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड द चैनल, क्योंकि रेंटल्स होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, एंड इट्स बेस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस कि वो शो बंद हुआ और सभी के फायदे के लिए हुआ. So I know people are missing कि स्टोरी खत्म नहीं हुई, और even I am missing the character of Vikram कि पहली बार नेगेटिव प्ले कर रहा था, it was fun, मजा आ रहा था करने में. जैसे जैसे बिल्डअप होना शुरू हुआ, the show got cancelled. So बेहद 2 तो अभी ऑन एयर नहीं आएगा. Hopefully फ्यूचर में कुछ बेहद का अगला कुछ बनेगा तो वहां से स्टोरी कंटिन्यू.
Maybe something even bigger and better than Behad. That is what I would like to wish for you going forward ahead. And I hope that all the fans who love you, they keep loving you like the way they do.